Tujuan sekarang kita menuju ke Hanoi untuk menjemput beberapa teman-teman guru yang akan ikut di tour ke daerah Hanoi juga ya. Saya kurang paham. Ini adalah pemandangan di jalan menuju ke Hanoi. Ini bukan jalan tol ya, ini jalan biasa tapi bentuknya seperti tol. dari Bắc Ninh ke Hanoi sekitar 30 sampai 40 menit. Jadi lumayan panjang. Dan kita lihat sini Hanoi sekitar 25 km lagi. Ya, sebelah kiri kanan jalan masih kosong. Ini seperti jalan tol ke arah Anyer ya, di antara sekitar Balaraja dan sekitarnya. Kita masuk ke pintu tol. Kurang paham di sini apakah menggunakan kartu atau sensor. Oh, menggunakan sensor. Lanjut terus ke Hanoi sekitar 10 km lagi. Ini berada di salah satu provinsi yang bernama Long Bieng. Long Bieng menuju pusat kotanya. Baru saja keluar dari jalan tol dan mulai sedikit macet. Sedikit karena memang dibandingkan dengan macet di Jakarta lebih ini agak sedikit merambat ya. Tidak terlalu stuck. Ya, nanti kita juga akan lihat Aeon Mall Long Bieng kalau nanti lewat, tapi ya mudah-mudahan mudah-mudahan nanti kita bisa lewatin Iron Mountain Long Bien. Salah satu sign dari
May mga publish po na maganda yung reputation.
ini adalah bentuk helm standarnya di Vietnam. Ada yang full face, ada yang setengah. Tapi rata-rata mereka menggunakan helm seperti yang berwarna kuning. Casual banget, santai. Dan ya, seperti ini, seperti topi ya dari depan. Ya, di sebelah kanan kita lihat ini adalah gedung Iron Mall Long Bien. Salah satu mall yang saya pernah kunjungi. Di dalamnya lumayan lengkap.
Cell Tower Delta. Yung dalawa. Pero kailangan mag-share sa
Ya, kita sudah berada di pinggiran kota Long Bien.
time. Let's see. Private school siya.
Saat ini jalannya menuju pusat kota Long Bien. Kita akan menaiki apa sebutannya ya? Underpass. Atau bukan underpass? Lupa, jembatan bawahnya lah.
International Parliament Championship.
Suasana di jembatan Long Bien. Jam 9:05. 9 pagi.
go to the bathroom. We can use the office bathroom. Just gonna type. Okay. So we have here you, Aaron, and Dwayne.
Suasana traffic di pinggiran Hanoi. Kita menuju ke dalam kotanya.
The weather is just like this, you know. Not hot, not raining. Narurutan tayo ng mga, ano na siya, Dave Seat, tsaka meron tayong tablet. Kasi nga lagi ako sa labas, ng Dubai. At least, naarawan ako. May ano ako, mag-balance.
Parang gusto ko nang yakapin na lang. Pagod na ako. Dahil, pakitaan ako.
Kaya hindi ako nag-enjoy.
Hindi na ako nakadaan ako siya. Di ba nakakapin na kami ng
Hal menarik dari jalan ini adalah sepanjang jalan di sisi kanan ini terdapat relief berupa mural yang disusun. Tekniknya ada yang berupa penempatan batu-batu bercorak gambar ataupun ya bentuknya seperti relief. Oke. Ya, lampu merah berjalan, ada anak-anak kecil yang mulai masuk ke dalam. Ini kalau di Indonesia seperti di Blok M, di Blok A ya, pasar barang-barang langka, tapi di sini bentuknya seperti ini. Mulai masuk ke dalam.
Ano pagtawid?
Kita masih tetap harus menjemput rekan kerja yang sudah standby di area yang sudah ditentukan, dan saat ini kita sedang mencoba menjemput mereka. Ini adalah situasi di dalam kota Hanoi. Menurut saya, kalau saya ini pertama kali, ini yang kedua kali, tapi tetap saja meskipun yang kedua, yang pertama ada kunjungan singkat untuk keperluan medical check up, dan sekarang ini benar-benar untuk explore Hanoi secara lebih spesifik.
This is the Get office. This building. This whole building is owned by him now. Yeah, and they're leasing it. Now we're just gonna be back. They're there waiting. Yes, I get it. May makukuha mo rin siya. Automatic. Oh, automatic. primitive. That's how it is. So yeah, okay, we're here. So this is the bus stop. Every time that we left Hanoi to Bắc Ninh, this is the bus stop.
Some of our colleagues are here.
If you wanna go to the bathroom, there's a bathroom here.
She didn't have?
So sekarang kita sedang menuju ke salah satu destinasi wisatanya. And then
Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm very happy to have Benji as my co-organizer for this trip and hope you will enjoy our trip. And now it's 9:30 and our schedule is going to be recess at 10 o'clock. So we will have some snack on the bus before we head to Central Traveler and we move to Literature Temple. And the last destination will be around One King area. We will have lunch. We will take a look and we will discover One King areas. And now I will give you some snack to have for today.
Let me tell you something. Class! City class! Let me tell you, the first place we're going, as Hugh said, is the pagoda. I'll give you a little bit of history. It was built in 548 AD. It was built back during the Quinnoc dynasty. You will see that it is a Buddhist temple, and we're also going to a Confucius temple. But at the Buddhist temple, please take your shoes off if you go in to take pictures. There will be people praying there. There are many ashes of loved ones that are mausoleumed there. Also, in the back, you'll have a front of the pagoda, but make sure you go around to the back of the pagoda. There's a huge tree, and the tree is from the they started it from a sprig from the tree where Buddha received his enlightenment. So India donated it many, many years ago, and it's a huge tree. And you'll notice people will have incense, and they walk around it 7 times this way and 7 times that way, and it brings you blessings. So if you want to participate in that, it's culture awareness. Please go inside of the pagoda. You can take photos, but just be respectful because there will be people praying. So one thing
quiet.
yeah,
Be quiet.
you can talk, but just be quiet. One thing that the Vietnamese people find that as expats, sometimes they come in and are very rude and laughing and hollering and screaming and stepping on the carpet while people are praying. So please just use reverence. It's a beautiful temple. You'll see goldfish on the bridge going across that people take and release to the water. And it's really, when they release the goldfish to the water, it brings you a blessing. So there's many different historical sites there. Also on the Temple of Literature, the Temple of Literature is over 2,000 years old. It was built here. You'll see tablets of lesson plans, rocks with hammers and chisels where the teachers did their lesson plans in rocks. So when we get there, I'll give you a little bit more information about the Temple of Literature. Okay?
I have white and brown sugar for this donut, so choose on your own.
Use white.
What do you want? Brown or white?
morning, Mr. Dwayne.
Pick one. What do you want? Brown or white? Okay. Pick one. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah, she's only 24. I like her. to your right, you'll see this wall. It goes for miles. This is a mosaic wall. Area artists have made this, and also schools. A school that I was connected with, we did one of the mosaics on the wall here. But you'll see this goes for miles, and everything is a different picture, a different point of time in Vietnamese history.
You need to make a phone.
Yeah, I have a big nose.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Maybe today. Brown or white?
Well,
I don't know.
I'll take white. Thank you.
Which one?
Yes.
Pick one.
Oke. Itu sepanjang jalur jalanan mosaik art. Seharusnya menjadi seni mosaik terpanjang di dunia ya.
We're almost to the pagoda now. We're going to make a left right up here. When we get to the lake, you see the lake is on both sides. The lake to your left is called Chuk Bak Lake. Chuk Bak Lake, there's big white swans where people paddling boats. Chuk Bak Lake, for anybody that's from the west, is where John McCain's plane went down when he was shot down and kept prisoner of war. And there's a hotel there called the Hilton Hotel, but it's not a hotel, it's a prison, okay? But a lot of people travel here just to see. That was a historical spot during the Vietnamese War.
Everyone, please remember to take to Mr. Randy today. He has a lot of information.
I'm a history teacher.
Okay.
He's Vietnamese.
I'm Vietnamese.
He's more Vietnamese than you.
Is the water cheaper now?
Is the what?
The water cheaper now, Mr. Benjamin? Because he was charging us $10 for water.
He's Filipino, remember that, okay?
Can I have one? If it's cheaper?
9.5. You want one? I just bought
If you like Indian food, the side of Chuk Bak Lake is one of my favorite. It's called Food Shop 45. My favorite Indian restaurant in Okay, so on your left-hand side here, this is Chuk Bak Lake, and over here will be West Lake. So this is the Chuk Bak, the Indian restaurant's right over there, and this is the lake where John McCain's plane went down. But the temples, the pagoda sits right here on West Lake.
Let's get the money. That's fine. After jump on the bus in the terminal. Yeah. Yo, where's he gonna drop us off? Yes.
No, where's he dropping?
Dừng đây cho em ạ.
Yeah. Anh cái đỗ xe đâu hả anh?
Đỗ luôn đây.
Vâng. Thế tao đưa xong rồi anh ở đây nhá. Anh ơi, tao nói em đưa hốt tên nhá, rồi ngồi trên xe hơi khó biết. Chưa biết xong gần xong rồi.
Want to like innocent?
Halo Devanka. Halo. Kata hola hola.
Buang sampah di mana ya?
Morning Miss Jenny. Sekarang sudah di titik pertama dari destinasi dan kita sedang Ini adalah poin yang nanti kita ke sana. Oh, COVID ah. Ya, sana gabung nanti tiketnya nggak bisa dapat loh. Ya dek, say hi.
Hi. Welcome to Hanoi.
If you get excited, you can read it just like an instant. I know, right? The crazy, but it's good crazy, you know? Yeah.
I don't know how to use the phone. You know, the selfies. Yan na.
Papain dong.
sini harus buka sepatu ya.
Ada kaki. Dia kan bukan kita.
We're not sprinkling for your birthday.
Đi đi.
The belief is you walk 7 times one way and 7 times the other way and you'll be blessed. And then you can go inside, there's the walk.
Thank you.